Hey man, I was sitting back thinking and I was like, yo, what are some of my best sneaker pickups so far in 2026? This was a little difficult for me because I had, picked up a bunch of grills the first couple months of the year, and I really ain't been grabbing that many things for the collection. So I was like, you know what? Let me sit back and actually think what I really enjoy picking up. I cop well over 5 shoes, so I'm gonna slim it down to that top 5 of the year. So far, you're gonna be surprised what actually makes the list coming from your boy, The Vintage. So let's get right into it. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back in, man. We are back, bro. We are back with another video and another disclaimer. If you guys not know, man, I'm in the last 2 weeks of my prep, bro. Last 2 weeks of my first ever bodybuilding competition. Super excited. Really, I think I'm more excited about the end goal. You know what I mean? I just want to get to that day and actually conquer something that I have never done before. I was super shy at first, I was against it for the longest. People that know me know I was so against bodybuilding competitions. And now that I'm actually doing it, it's like I'm facing a fear. So I'm super excited for it. And I can't wait for that end goal, because all I want is like, a donut or a cinnamon roll. Forget the donut. I want a huge cinnamon roll from Cinnabon, and I'll be happy. I can go on a whole nother, 16-week prep if I need to do that, man. So if you haven't been seeing videos every single day like I used to do, that is why, a little bit of added stress with doing the videos. But I'm not gonna let that get to a point. So again, we still dropping content. We still chop up with you guys. And if y'all already know, bro, I'm super active over on Instagram. You guys can tap in over on Instagram, so your boy is good to go, man. Y'all follow me on IG down below. And yeah, something that a lot of people now asking me to do for these videos is a sense of the day. And today all I did was go to the gym, but now you guys smell crispy, smell good when you are at the gym. And today I had on that Louis V Lovers right here, man. Love this scent right here, hence the name, bro. I love it. You can't go wrong with it. And it gets like a nice spice and this overall great smell. I cannot describe it, bro, at all. But all I know is every time I spray this on, I feel so good. You know what I mean? I don't know what it is about it, but that LV Lovers goes crazy every single time. And if you guys are new here to the channel right now, I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for your boy. Run them likes up. Every single like counts. And I do truly appreciate you guys for tapping in every single time. I'm probably like one of the most inconsistent people when it comes to YouTube. I don't know. I feel like I'm consistent, but me, like I used to post every single day, and I miss that to a certain degree. But life happens, you feel me? But I do truly appreciate you guys and support me throughout this journey. And we got some more content on the way in terms of shoes. We got a lot early content coming in, some early kicks. I'm waiting for them to touch down. Got 2 early pairs, and again, which kind of contributed to me doing this top 5 today is from an early pair. So let's get into that number 1 shoe. All right, guys, so for number 1 on the list in terms of pickups, and I do have these early, and this is one of my top 5 shoes that I picked up so far this year, and that is no other than the Toro Bravo. So again, this might be another trigger warning, type of post, because you guys know I low-key was like, saying, Jordan Brand, y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better with the quality. And I feel like they, slacked a little bit, just like with the Air Jordan 14 Toros. Like, I feel like they just, didn't give us that same pop of red. But again, I have wanted this shoe since a kid, bro. So no way in hell I was gonna let, just the color red, being a little washed out, not be a pickup for me. And again, it's a top 5 pickup for your boy. Not saying this is number 1, not saying it's gonna be the sneaker of the year for me, but all I'm saying is I was super excited and happy to add these to the collection. Before I get any further, bro, one of the reasons why I did drop this video, I seen the Homemade Retro Wiz Kid drop the first quarter pickups. I got a little motivated. I was like, yo, let me show the people what I picked up so far, but I don't want to show everything. I'm gonna go top 5, you feel me? Top 5. So the first one being the Air Jordan 4 Toros. And while we go throughout this video, y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all been enjoying picking up. Top 5, top 3, number 1 shoe so far. Y'all comment. All right, guys, so for number 2 on the list, we have a shoe that a lot of people gonna be like, yo, it's no way the Vintage put this in his top 5. This actually might crack my top 10. That's how much I like this shoe right here, and it is no other than the Ja Air Force One Swarovski Crystal I think that's the name, the Swarovski crystals. I don't know. I just love how they executed these guys. You got the crystals all around the shoe, the heel, the Nike Air. You got the little 12, and then you have AM right here, 12 AM on the side, kind of with that pop out 3D like effect. And just overall, bro, you got some extra little, you know, jewels on the jaw logo here, and this all around, you know, craftsmanship of this one I really love, and I cannot wait to pop out and wear these. Like when I go out somewhere next, I haven't been nowhere throughout this whole prep, but the next time I pop out, this is definitely going to be on feet, and I cannot wait, bro. I can't wait to wear these, man. But again, this actually might be a top 10 pickup of the year for me, bro. That's how much I like these, and I feel like I'm going to do these dirty in terms of wearing them too much, so I might have to double up, bro. But again, premium Air Force One, and I took an L on these, and a lot of the, you know, the homies hit me up, was like, bro, they over here, and I got these for retail, so I'm super excited about that. All right, and if you guys know me, I love me a pair of Foamposites. Now again, we already 3 shoes into the top 5, and only one of them have been a Jordan. So again, I know y'all probably like, bro, there's no way this is real. Yes, man, I love foams. Love me a clean pair of forces. And again, we got a couple foams to release this year, but the one that I love the most and cracked the top 5 so far, which might crack the top 10 of the year, is the Stranger Thing Vecna Foamposites. I think they went crazy with these. The glow in the dark outsole. You got some glow in the dark with the, you know, array of this shoe, and you have the nice laces on these guys. Upside down penny logo. Just overall, when we talk about storytelling and put it onto the shoe, they killed it, bro. They killed it with these Stranger Thing foams. And again, easily top 10 for me this year. And I think I can solidify this one being a top 10, unlike the Toros, because there's some heat coming out, bro. We got some heat coming out after, you know, July into the end of the year, to include the Space Jam. So again, it's gonna be a little difficult in terms of what's gonna actually make the top 10 pickups for me, but the Stranger Things have a safe place in my top 10 list for 2026. Y'all know I couldn't get too far without showing this shoe, and I know somebody probably already commented like, bro, when are you gonna show them? Yes, another shoe that cracked the top 5 so far in 2026 is the Air Jordan 1 Union to LA Fragment, guys. I really like these, and again, I was telling people like, bro, this is the best one out of the whole pack, bro. Forget the resale, forget the quantity of the shoe. This is the best one to me, in my opinion. Again, it kind of gives you more of that OG Fragment Jordan 1. Of course, you got the Chicago hit on the upper, but just in terms of the colorway itself, I think this one is the best pair, in my opinion. I ain't solidifying and I ain't saying it's a fact, but to me, this is the one I went after first because I liked it the most, although I really should have went after the Sport Royals, because the prices on them guys is looking scary. But I get to those another day. They're going to come to the collection, and I don't want to add that into the top 10, you know what I mean? It might be like a 1A, 1B type thing, because it is a pack. They all release the same, you know, around the same time. It's from the same collab. So I that might be like a fair, you know, 1A, 1B type of situation. But again, we do have the Fragment Jordan 1 Union to LA collaboration. Had to have them, man. All right, guys, and for this last one, y'all gonna call me a hype beast. Y'all can call it what y'all want, but it happens to be the Travis Scott. No, I'm joking. Let me stop playing, bro. But again, y'all still gonna call me a hype beast because the number 5 is the Wolf Gray, guys. And again, another one of those shoes like the Toros, you know, I grew up always seeing on feet. I'm like, bro, I gotta get those eventually one day. And for me to remember a shoe, you know, 10, 15 years plus after the fact, and me remembering really wanting that shoe, kind of, you know, solidifies this one being a safe top 5 pickup for me in 2026. And that's just kind of how I see it. If it's something I always wanted as a kid, I just gotta get it, bro. I gotta, you know, fulfill that gratification. I gotta fulfill that want and turn into a need, I guess you could say. And then we have these guys in the collection. Really, really love these. Haven't worn them yet. You guys don't know, bro. I haven't really been anywhere. Like, I literally been to the gym, been to work, YouTube, family, in that order. It's like an ongoing cycle, you know what I mean? But once I do, you know, be able to, you know, step out, do a couple things, these are going on feet. You hear me, bro? So yeah, guys, that is my top 5 of the year so far. Got a little inspiration from the homie, the Retro Wiz kid. He was showing all his pickups. I like, bro, you got some bangers, bro. But I went ahead and showed you guys the top 5 pickups for me so far. And again, a lot of people might be like, yo, there's no way that vintage is choosing some of these shoes. Hey, this is my top 5 so far, bro. And if you think I'm missing something, let me know in the comment section and let me know your top 5 pickups of the year so far. Super interesting seeing what you guys been picking up, man. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for your boy The Vintage. And with all this being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.